Good morning, guys. It is Monday. We're in the Destin area. Gonna take a look at the beach this morning, see how it looks. We already have a lot of people setting up out here, but things are looking much better. There's hardly any seaweed out here. Just a little bit washed up on the beaches. The water is rough though, still. Yeah, the water's looking much cleaner today. Still looking like it's probably going to be a red flag kind of a day, but we got a bit of the little berries that come out of that sargassum washed up. And again, it's looking pretty good out here. It's going to be a hot day. I know that. I think the heat index all this week is over 100 degrees. We got some boats way out there this morning. They must be fishing already. The water's feeling really good. It's nice and cool. I didn't check the water temperature before I came out here. I forgot to do that, but I'm sure it's 80 something. I'm in Destin. This is the Destin area. These beautiful Destin waters. Even though they're angry this morning. Still gorgeous. I think today is going to be a really nice beach day, actually. It's really nice this morning. It hasn't had a chance to get hot yet. So I have a good breeze. It's not too hot. It's really nice. They don't do the flags in advance. So you're asking about the flags. They actually don't update the flags until 10 after 10. So if you can see right there, that's yesterday's flag. It's red. So I won't know until 10 o'clock what the flag is going to be. But judging by the looks, I think it's going to be red. Which means you can still swim. You just have to be careful. Especially if you don't know what you're doing. I wouldn't advise anybody who's not extremely experienced in these waters to go in on a red flag because it can get really gnarly out there. Don't let the little kids go out on the red flags because it's pretty dangerous. Look how turbulent these waters are. They will knock you down. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the surf. Plenty of little surf areas here where you can hang out, take a quick dip. That's true. Anyone can be taken out into a rip current. I didn't catch the weather this morning for Thursday. I think it actually is supposed to be just fine weather-wise. I was actually looking for a rip current to try to show you guys, but sometimes they're hard to spot. yeah, I think the weather's supposed to be good all day. They said there wasn't any real rain chance today, so, you know, if you're in the area, come on out. You can always find something like this to play in, this little, it's not really a tide pool, but it's just a little low spot where you can stay out of the actual surf. Kind of see a little low spot there. The beach does cure all, actually. I would have to agree with that statement. Oh yeah, the water's improved this week. Those of you coming down this week, I think it's going to be a good week. If we can just get this water to calm down, it would be great. Alright guys, I'm going to have to wrap this up. I hope everybody has a beautiful Monday morning. Glorious start to your week. It's going to be a good one. Thank you guys for watching and walking with me. Be sure to follow and share and like and all of those things. And I will see you guys real soon.